Just realized my mic was off. So let's do this again. Hey, good evening, everyone. Happy Thursday night. Welcome to Forex Talk Over Beer. Welcome back to existing followers. And welcome. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to activate notification because I rarely go on at the exact same time. And you definitely want to be notified if I go on. Okay. Let me just double check something. Make sure we are good to go here. I did forget to send the link in the Set and Forget Discord. So if anyone can do it, I know I always forgot. I do apologize. If anyone can do it, that'll be very appreciated. Just trying to see here if we're good. Okay, we're good. Perfect. Excelente. Perfect, guys. So hopefully you guys ready for a nice and amazing show. Okay. I see some. Okay, cool. Guys, drop your name. Not drop your name because I'm gonna be seeing your name when you be writing something. Just let me know where you're from. If you're new here, say hi. Drop a comment in the chat. Thank you so much for joining tonight. So the concept of this show is pretty simple. For people who are new here, it's really simple. It's called Forex Talk Over Beer for a reason because we're gonna go over some drinks. Plus, we're gonna talk Forex. What can be better than this? I know I need to shave. I'm going to the barber tomorrow, so it's gonna be clean now. So we're gonna talk about some winning trades, losing trades, trades ideas, and tonight special subject: how to avoid unnecessary losses. Because I saw some people today going nuts, and some of them lost their account or a lot of profit. So let's make sure this doesn't happen again. And let's have a talk about that, okay? By the way, if you have any question whatsoever, guys, the main objective of this show is to actually help you. I'm not doing this for myself. I don't give a shit about likes, about this, about that. The only reason why I'm asking you to drop a fucking like on the stream, it's because it get the algorithm going, and by doing so, I'm able to reach out to more people and help more people. That's the only goal. It's not for fame. It's not to be, ooh, I got that many likes. I don't give a damn. Okay, that's the only reason why I'm gonna ask you to elbow drop the like button, please. As you guys coming in, that'll be very appreciated. Okay, so first thing first, before we get started, let's crack up the beer. Okay, so we got this one is a double IPA, 8.5%, baby. We're going strong tonight. Why? Because we got a massive win. Let's go, baby. All right, so I'm going to go check the chat in just a second. Guys, if you don't have your drink with you, run to the kitchen. Go grab a drink. Come back. We're going to do the official cheers in just a second. If you're watching the replay, maybe it's the morning at your place. Maybe you're having a glass of milk, orange juice, a shake, maybe. I don't know. Whatever you guys having, let's do the official cheers. Okay. I'm going to remove my keyboard from there for 1 second because I'm scared. Yeah, it's pretty full. So we're going to do the official cheers. Are you guys ready? By the way, if you're taking a picture of the cheers, post it on Instagram, tag my name on it, and I will reshare it. Okay. So in 3, 2, 1, let's go, guys. Cheers. All right, so if you didn't have time to take the picture, just rewind 1 second, snap the picture, post it, and I will reshare it. All right, cheers. This is so fucking good. Woo! Oh, this is good. Oh, this is real good, baby. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's get going, guys. Let's go. Let's go see the chat here. Hoping you've been having a good week, dogs. Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, it was a pretty good week. From Togo, let's go, Set. Let's go. Togo on the map, baby. Smash the goddamn head on that like button, chat, Martin. Thank you, Marnus. Let's see. I didn't take AUD trade as all Discord because weekly bearish and weekly trend line reach the top. All right, we're going to talk about that. Actually, let me put this on this side. Okay, so let's go check it out. All right, so enough talking, more trading. Okay, let's get going, guys. Let's get this show going. Oh shit, I forgot my little banger here. If not, I can be in trouble. I don't want to. Oh, where is trouble? I don't know the rest of the song, but whatever. Okay, so let's go, guys. Let's fucking go. All right, let's talk about GJ first. Um, so GJ, yeah, those one was 2 break even. Where's my winning one? Did I erase my winning one? God damn, I erased it. Shoot, it was somewhere in here. Was it? Where was it? Oh yeah, it was this candle. Okay. Anyways, that's okay. Well, anyways, the same idea here. Okay. So, by the way, for people that are new here, so let me explain you the dogtail setup because I've been getting a lot of question lately. Okay. So, and in the chat, let me know if you got some winning trades from the dogtail setup. I want to know. I received a lot of DM recently that people are doing good with the dogtail setup, so that's amazing. I'm actually happy to hear that and read your message. So that's pretty cool. So very, very simple. Actually, it's on the 4-hour time frame. So let's see here. Perfect. Cool. Oh, here we go. They are there. There we go. I knew it. Okay, so here we got a nice winning one here on oh, that was Friday. Yeah, we didn't broke it down because Friday we didn't have a Forex stock over here. So Dogtail set up here on last Friday. Pretty simple. The only thing I do wait here is basically I'm gonna wait for the wick to be formed. And once we're gonna be passing this wick here, this is where I get my entry. It's a very basic setup, okay? I call that the dogtail setup just to go with the brand, you know, just nothing fancy. Just because when the dogs start running, you know, it forms a tail. Once it comes back, this is the tail of the dog. When you start running, when the nose past this wick here, this is the start line. This is where you start racing your dog, and bam, you know. So usually when I'm with the trend, I will go for maybe a 2-2-1, 2-2-1, 2.5 max, you know, because it's gonna be a scalping, you know, and most of the time it will be like a 1.5, 1.8, somewhere around there. Okay. And most of the time, I will use a fixed 15 pips stop loss, or when it does make sense, I just put my stop under the current wick, and this is my stop. In this case, that was a 12.8 pip stop loss. For this one, I let it run the runner. I did close partially before that, but my runner I closed in full at a 4 point whatever 421. I also add another one. Was it on Monday or Tuesday that I did erase? I don't know why though. I should leave it them all there. I think it was like, oh, whatever. Doesn't matter. Okay, so here are two that I got stopped at break even. You know, so that's the reason why I use Magic Key here. I use Magic Key. Yeah, I'm missing a button here. So I'm using Magic Key and I put an auto break even at 11 pips. So as soon as price hit 11 pips, bam, automatically my stops get moved at break even. And the reason why I do this, because this move is based on volume, impulsive move. Okay. So if it's about to come back, it's beside the point, you know? So that's why I prefer to get out. In this case, it does sucks because it got me out at break even. It got triggered 11 pips, right? And bam, after that, stop at break even, and eventually went back to profit. I don't know what happened here. There's a lot of shit news happened and a lot of wicks. So whatever. Same shit happened today, man. UJAS wick, we broke and came back down, stopped me at break even. So it is what it is, you know. It was super close though to, yeah, eventually it went to TP, but you know, it's beside the point. So those two got stopped at break even. What do you want me to do? Cheers, guys. So we got Mentas that sent a chart, so we're gonna go check that out. Let's see here. Mentas, I didn't take AD as the trade. Okay, perfect. Hi, bro. Please check and review my chart. I will. We're just gonna do AD USD, Euro NZD, and after that we'll go check your chart, bro. So stay with us. Okay, so let's start with Euro NZD. So Euro NZD was a very, 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 very simple. I sent that in the set and forget Discord. And I don't know why people didn't actually took action on this one, but whatever. So here is the weekly time frame. Let me put the screen bigger here. All right, cool. Here we go. Perfect. So we are bearish here because we got this, this. Boom. We flip bearish. We have the pullback, at the daily area of interest. We're going to go check that out on the daily time frame. Here we go. So you see here, we got a daily area of interest. We got supports, resistance, resistance. And I'm sure we got some more here. So it's a very, very, very solid area of interest. Plus, it's also in sync with the daily golden zone. It didn't reach out completely, but don't forget, guys, those are zones, right? So if you look here, boom, we are pretty goddamn that week is here. So we rejected 382 anyways. So for me, 382 is another rejection area. So super valid. Awesome. So now this is established. Weekly and daily are bearish. We are at the daily area of interest. We are at the daily golden zone, or 382 if you prefer. 4 hour, look at the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, look at this. So 4 hour time frame went, actually, let me delete those so it's going to be less confusing. Perfect. Cool. So 4 hour went boom, boom, bearish, right? So we went bearish. What was it here? Bearish here. Yeah, okay, perfect. Boom, boom, boom. And we flip back bearish here. We got the pullback, which is also inside that. I mean, at the, not the, God damn, I'm already drunk here. Cheers, guys. At the golden zone. And yes, this elbow is kind of effy, but if you look here, you have one, right? So, especially when you go to the upside, you want to go above, okay? Let me see here. It's not a super clean elbow, so that's why I love to go on the lower time frame to realize that yes, now price went bearish for real because we broke that 2 hour structure. So now if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, look at this. So we went bearish. And I sent this note here. I sent this note at the beginning of the week, I think, in the chat saying just wait for H4 pullback. Not the beginning of the week, but I think it was a Wednesday or something, whatever. So, anyways, so we had this pullback here. Great. This is all inside that H4 golden zone. Now, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, boom, we're still bearish here. Okay. We're still bearish. Anything in between those two lines, the two red lines here and here, is just structure, right? So I'm just waiting for that engulfing candle. As you can see on H1, we don't have it. But if you look on the 30-minute, we do have it. We have it here. Awesome. Plus 30-minute is bearish also. So we got a nice engulfing candle. Here is the difference with how I usually put my stop. Let me remove the fib because it's very noisy right now. Here we go. So usually I would put my stop above here, above that structure, 5 pips above. It was a pretty big stop. So I was like, you know what? I'm comfortable here because I mean if we go over here, I mean this trade is just invalid to me, So let me put 5 pips above this resistance, and if it goes there, whatever, I accept the risk. Okay, so this was a more risky stop loss, to be honest, because a safe stop loss should be above the previous structure. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense, guys. But I was willing to accept the risk here, so I went with 2% risk instead of 3. And yeah, so went to get a 2.5 to 1, and that's about it, and the reason why I exited there is because we were super close of, where was it here? I think that, yeah, right here. Okay, so right here, that support here, I was like, we already passed it. There's a lot of wicks down there. I'm like, you know what? Let me get out of there. Especially that here we are at that major QP right there. I was expecting here. Let me put it purple so it's easier. Major QP right here. So here, for me, technically, I should exit there, not there. So for me, this is a mistake. Okay, this is a mistake. I exited like a little too late here because at the major QP, we know that there's a big probability that price will react. I kind of exited a little late, which wasn't my favor this time, but it was also in sync with, not in sync, but it was also with this support right here to the left. So what I tell people is always look left. Look fucking left, to see what happened. Okay. By the way, guys, I don't know what's going on tonight. I think the like button is defect or something. Like 1 2 test check. Is the like button defect or what? Guys. It takes 2 seconds. Guys, I'm trying to help you guys, and this is the love I get. What's up with that? What's up with that, man? God damn. Cheers, guys. We should be at least at a 100% like ratio, So, I mean, or maybe I'm not dropping enough value. What's going on here? It literally takes 1 second. Literally. Thank you. I know there's people already like and they're pressing those heart button. Like, can I see some fire emoji or something? Like, that'd be great. Oh, those likes going up, guys. Let's go. All right, so I'm getting excited here. What's up with that? I think it's a beer, man. This fucking beer, man, get me all pumped up. Okay, guys. So hopefully this trade makes sense for you because this was pretty basic. This was pretty basic. I think this was a very nice trade. Let's talk. Let's go check the chat first. Let's go check the chat. Here. Robin, is it only the 9? Yes, only the 9 a.m. candle. That's the only one I do. That's the only one I backtested for years, and it's been working super well for me. So, yeah, that's the only one. Now, let's talk about AUD USD, guys. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about AUD USD. Clearly, I can't sing. Okay. In my dream, I can, but clearly in real life, I just can't. Um, okay, so let's go start from the beginning here. All right, so if we're looking at the weekly here, so the weekly, first of all, the weekly is bearish. Okay, so that's number one. Weekly is bearish. Can we all agree on this? Can we all agree on this? Did you guys try to buy or sell today? I can't remember what you guys did. But I think you guys bought, right? If I'm not wrong. I should go check the chat, but whatever. But first you gotta know that we are going against weekly. It's doable to do so, but either reduce your risk. I mean, not either. Like, you should reduce your risk. Okay. Number two, let's go to the daily. So the daily is bullish, right? So the daily is bullish. We got to pull back here. For me, I was looking at a day trade, maybe slash even scalp trade to the upside because I wanted to have my 4 hour and my daily time frame in sync for that, because I'm going against my weekly. So I need something solid to go against my weekly for a day trade slash even a scalp, right? So here was looking beautifully. We got to pull back here at the daily area of interest, which is also the daily golden zone. This is beautiful so far. Forget about this candle because this candle is not there yet. Like just imagine that this is not there yet. Okay, so that looks good. But you gotta wait. Now, if you see this small body candle now, there's a big probability that tomorrow this oops. This might be the next. Why can I not put it in the middle? That sucks. Whatever. Anyways, you get the point. This tomorrow have a big chance to be like a blue candle. Okay. Um. Now, if you look at the 4 hour time frame, okay, 4 hour time frame is bullish. That's great. So far looking great for push to the upside as a day trade. Awesome. Where everybody fucked up here is like if you're looking at your 1 hour was bearish, guys. Your 1 hour was freaking bearish. So that's a huge no. The only way why I would go here, it's because this 1 hour is not super clean. So if you go on the 30-minute, okay, if you go on the 30-minute, now you got it clean. Okay, now the problem is people got in like somewhere in here, if I'm not wrong. Like you guys got in after this bullish engulfing. What the fuck? Guys, what did I told you? Wait for the fucking pullback. Wait for the pullback. You are at a higher high there. You are at a higher high. Why would you want to buy at a higher high? Yes, I know. Sometimes there's high volume period. Yeah, 8:30. There's volume, right? But look at those fucking candles. They're just ranging. Like, is it telling you that it's going up? The only way I would be doing this is like using the dogtail setup here. I would be losing though, but it would be a more riskier trade. And I would be reducing my risk probably to 1% or 0.5. Like I don't want to get involved here with a full 3% risk. Fuck that shit. Guys, this is where let's say you don't want to miss the trade because you FOMO, okay? Because you fucking like man, I'm getting excited here. Hold on. Yeah, the problem, guys, is you are living with FOMO. Like you have FOMO in your bloodline. Like what, guys? I know I had it too. But trust me, you want to miss those moves. You want to miss those moves. The reason why is because you'd be learning from those. Okay. Of course, if you're waiting for the pullback, you will miss move. It's a thing, But you will also avoid stupid and unnecessary losses, Since I was waiting for the pullback here, what happened? I didn't took the trade. Simple as that. Like, even if the trade would have go like 300 pips, am I going like, shit, man, fuck, I missed the trade, man. Like, guys, the market is going to be there tomorrow, the day after, next week, next month, next year. So, who cares if you're missing one move? You need to start to losing for breaking your rules, okay? So you have rules and you got to stick with it. You got to stick with it. Okay, so that's super duper ultra very super important. Okay, hopefully that's clear. Okay, cheers, guys. Damn, man, I'm going on a rampage here. Whew, man. All right, let me see the chat, and we'll go to Mentis chart also. I took an L on buying ADUSD. Yes. Yeah, Raphael. Like a lot of people did. I took an L, but yeah, a lot of people did. Explains the USD. Yes, we'll do. Same here, Raphael. Fortunately, I was risking 0. At least you reduce your risk, Sat. So at least that's good. It's part of the process. Absolutely. Absolutely. So just make sure, guys, you stick with the rules, because if you're looking at your 1 hour, your 1 hour is bearish. Your 1 hour is bearish, guys. Even this elbow here is a stretch, Like even this elbow here is a stretch. This is clearly not an elbow. But this one, it's a stretch. I don't really like it. This is a clean elbow here. Even, yeah, there's a doji, but still, you still have the elbow too. But yeah, this one, no, no, no. This is not an elbow, bro. This is flat. This is like it's not an elbow. This is like your arm like this, or kind of like this. This is not like an angle, like elbow. Elbow, guys. Elbow. Fuck elbow, yo. Not straight arm. Elbow. Okay. Um, I'm trying to be clean. I'm trying to be clear here. Because the Frenchie sometimes can be like a little stupid. So I do apologize. But it is what it is. All right, let me see. Let's go check Mentis chart. Hopefully, before we jump into something, I just want to make sure AUD USD is clean. Well, not clean, but clear. Do you guys understand why it wasn't ready? Please say yes in the chat. And if not, please let me know so I can re-explain and make sure you guys get it. I'm just going to be waiting for a second here. I just want to make sure you guys say, yes, it makes sense. Yes, I get it. Please write something in the chat. I want to know. I'm not moving on to something else if I don't know if you guys got this, because this is super important. Re-explain, bro. I got hit with an ad. Yeah. Take it one more time. Really? Okay. Let's do it one more time. I'll try to go slow. Okay. Let's recap this. Okay, guys. Now I need you guys to take some notes here. And if you did, guys, I'm gonna redo it, but you better fucking smash that like button right now. Because I'm gonna redo it once again. You better smash that freaking goddamn like button right now. Cheers, guys. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's start. First thing first, we got a weekly bearish since August 2022. Weekly is bearish, guys. Okay, so that's number one. Okay, the number one thing to know, you're going against your weekly, so that's fine. You can do a day trade if you got your daily and your 4-hour in sync. Okay, that's fine. But remember, you're going against your weekly. Okay, so right away you're going with a first strike. Okay, even if you can do a day trade with a daily and a 4-hour in sync, you got to remember that. Now the daily is bullish. That's great. This part is beautiful because we got the daily bullish. We got the pullback at the daily area of interest, which is also the daily golden zone. This is good. This part here on the daily looks beautiful. Now, if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, okay, guys, the fucking like button didn't move. What's wrong? Like, is it broken? Guys, I need your help here, man. Okay, let's focus. So 4-hour time frame went bullish here. We got to pull back, right? So whatever. Let's do this. We're gonna pull back. This is beautiful, awesome, perfect. Okay, so the 4 hours bullish. We got to pull back, decent pullback. Nothing to say against the 4-hour. The 4-hour look nice. You got your 4-hour and your daily. Looks good to do a day trade, right? But what else you need? You need your 1-hour in sync, But now, if you go down to the 1-hour, the fuck? Like, your 1-hour is not even close to be bullish. It's not even close. So now, you remember I said, like, let's say the 1-hour is not clean, go back to the 30 minutes. So the only reason why I would have taken this trade to the upside, it's because this 1-hour, not gonna lie, I'm being honest with you, it's not super clean. This is like a freaking, like, not elbow, like this more than an elbow, like even this one, this one would be better, to be honest. So the 1-hour is not super clean. So what we do, we drop down one time frame when it's not clean. So what happened here? So the 30 minute did flip bullish right here, right? Let me delete this. So the 30 minute did flip bullish by breaking this resistance, right? Perfect. Awesome. So now we're bullish. The problem and the mistake that everybody did is getting in here at a higher high. What happened most of the time, like most of the time, when a new higher high is created. When a new higher high is created, 80% of the time, and that's not a real percentage, okay, this is just to say like a very high percentage, of the time, price will come down, form support to eventually create a new higher high. So do you prefer to get in here or get in here? Which one you gonna get the best RR? Fucking simple, no? So yes, like I said in the past, I would be willing to enter the same place as you did here with this engulfing candle. But the problem is, like, it doesn't make sense. Because if you're getting in here with this engulfing candle, your stop has to be under here. What the fuck? You know? Like this, where the fuck are you putting your stop loss? Like, you don't even have a structure. This is flat. This is just a ranging market. You don't even have a structure. Like, the fuck? Okay? So you guys get that? So by waiting for the pullback, I just avoided an unnecessary losses. No pullback, no trades. There's like maybe 20% of the time I will enter like when it actually breaks. But that is when everything is in line and I will reduce my risk. I will go with a 0.5 or 1% max, But if I don't have a pullback most of the time, I'm not saying I'm not never gonna enter when it actually breaks, because there's a lot of things that I take in consideration that I cannot break everything down now, like major QP, quarter points theory, fib. There's a lot of things that I do look before entering. Yeah. Anyways, so sometimes when I get lost in my ideas, I do apologize. ADHD kicked in, guys. Hey, cheers, guys. Guys, we're halfway from our 100% like ratio. So can we get some people that smash the goddamn like button here? Cheers, guys. So I just redid the full AUD USD breakdown. Now, please, please tell me that now it's clear. Put a fire emoji if it's clear in your mind right now, or put a brain if it's not clear. Yeah, brain, or thumbs down. Thumbs down if it's not clear. I mean, do you get that, guys? I want to see some emoji. Let me see some fire emoji if it's clear for you. Do you guys get it or what? Before we move into something else. Did I just ask a question? Is that the delay? Oh, here we go. Here comes the fire emoji. Perfect. We got some. There's one person. One person that got it? Well, congrats, Natty. You're the only one who's going to be making money in the next couple of days. All right, so we got Sat, Mathieu. Mathieu sounds French. Marnus, let's go. Natty is in. I'm still holding ADUSD, waiting for the pullback to break even. What? Hold on, wait a second. Did I read that right? I'm still holding ADUSD, waiting for the pullback to break even. Okay, this is a very, 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 very important subject here. Okay, so did you move? Okay, so this is very important, Natty. You need to be honest. You need to be honest. Did I fucked up that word? Whatever. You need to be honest. Did you move your stop loss? Yes or no? Just yes or no. Did you move your stop loss? I'm waiting for the answer to move on. So, Natty, that's very important. No? Okay. So please tell me, where did you put your stop loss? Just write the price. And I need your entry also. Give me your entry and your stop loss, please. Because I'm trying to help you here. It's not to make fun of you. It's nothing here. And I really appreciate your participation, Nancy, because that's going to be helping a lot of people here. Okay, so let's do this. Let me give me your entry point and your stop loss, please. Do you need a couple minutes to go get it, or just let me know if you're still there? Okay. And again, this is to help. Okay, this is not to make fun. Cheers, guys. Okay, so we got an entry at 66258. Okay, let's do this. So entry price. No, that's whatever. Entry price 66258. 258. Okay, and TP whatever. We're gonna put like we don't really care. And stop loss. What's the price for stop loss? Stop loss 0.065 0.65 900. Okay. Okay, so now, at what time did you enter, Natty? Please, approximately, or maybe you're not on the U.S. New York time. Maybe you maybe entered here during London session, I guess, like at 4 a.m. or maybe here at 2 a.m. Actually, oh yeah, that makes sense. Here, but it's not engulfing though. 2 a.m. Dude, I fucking did it, dude. I said 2 a.m. Look at this, 2 a.m. Boop. Yeah, I know. Did I know my people or what? Okay, so first thing first, would you agree that? Let's check the 1 hour. Yeah, no. Okay, so let's break it. Man, we're gonna learn a lot here. Thank you, Natty. I think that's gonna help a lot of people. Okay. Um, Update my TP to your screen. So what was your TP? Well, it doesn't really matter the TP, to be honest. Like whatever. Okay, we don't really care. So first thing first. Okay, so sorry, my dog actually opened up my door here. Okay, so first thing first, you're like, look at this. This 1 hour right now is bearish. Is clearly bearish. So that's number one thing. If you entered like here, like there's like I mean here, it's clearly bearish. Okay, so like people have no business to be in this trade. It's bearish. Like it's not even close to. It's not even like here up here that you might discuss this being like, yeah, maybe this, in an elbow it broke above. Yeah, I can understand it can be confusing sometimes, those fucking elbows things. But here it's clearly bearish, right? It's clearly bearish. So that's number one. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, if you look on the 30 minute, 30 minute is also bearish. 4 hour, 4 hour that time was still bullish. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so and the 2 hour, even the 2 hour was bearish. So the 2 hour, the 1 hour, the 30 minute, and I'm pretty sure that even the 15 minute was bearish. I'm pretty sure. Like even the 15 minute was bearish. So 15, 30, 1 hour, 2 hour was all bearish. So right away, we don't have business there. Okay, so that's okay. Perfect. Okay, so now what's up? What else? So we did enter here. This is not even an engulfing candle. Okay, so we broke one rule. We broke a second rule. We broke a third rule by the fact that the 1 hour is not bullish. So that's three rules broken. And again, Natty, this is not to go about making fun of you. Okay, I would just want to be this super clean. I really appreciate you to share this. Okay, because sometimes people freaked out and just, oh fuck, I'm not gonna send my info. But this is gonna be really helpful. Okay, because by doing so, we are breaking down exactly what you did and how a lot of people was thinking. Okay, so that's gonna be helpful. So now, if you enter here, so um, and I think I saw something popping out. Let me see here. I know it was a stupid trade. No, there's no stupid trade, Nancy. Okay, there's no stupid trade. They're only learning occasion. Occasion is not a right word I was looking for, but sorry, the Frenchie is trying to translate. It's only a learning. God damn, I'm looking for the word, but whatever. Okay, you're gonna learn from this. Okay, but let's say that everything was bullish. You got an engulfing candle, fine, perfect. Where your stop loss should be, your stop loss should be, so let's say that now, let's say that the 1 hour, the 30 minute, let's say you enter the only 30 minute, right? So let's say that this candle is engulfing, and let's say that the 30 minute is bullish. Where is your stop loss should be? Your stop loss should be under previous support right here, minus, let's go, if you want to go under the wicks or under the structure, it's up to you. Sometimes I go under the wick, you minus 5 pips, so that's going to be 15. So that's going to be around here, okay? So that will be your stop loss. So technically, you should already be out, you know? Hopefully, you are trading percentage-wise. If you don't trade percentage wise and you trade lot wise without looking at percentage, it's gonna hurt. Because let's say you're always trading like a one lot, for an example, whatever the stop. Now you got a pretty good stop, a big stop, so you're gonna get hurt, okay, by doing so. Um, and even there, your stop loss should already be gone. So now your question to me is, should I wait for the pullback to get out at break even? My answer is you should stop the bleeding. Okay. But again, you do whatever you want. Okay. You do whatever you want, but you should stop the bleeding because technically you should be already out of this trade. Okay. This trade now is bearish, so you should be out of it, even if you're, let's remove this. And even if you look now at the 4 hour time frame, like the 4 hour right now just rejected previous support here on the 4 hour time frame. But I mean, we hit it hard. So now there's some chance that we just flip bearish now at this stage. Who knows? I don't know. You don't trade what you think. You do trade what you see. Okay, that's super important. So my answer to this is, yeah, man, I will stop the bleeding if it was me. But again, this is no financial advice. You do what you want. You do your own things, your own research, your own analysis, right? But if it was me, I would stop the bleeding. All right. So thank you again. Let's see. I'm French, by the way. Oh, un français, ben, ça fait plaisir. Ça fait vraiment plaisir. De la France ou du Québec? Moi, je suis du Québec. Donc, bonjour. Insta stories don't always help. LOL. That's what I told myself. Better do my own homework and see. Yeah, that's the thing. A lot of people like post shit on Instagram. It's great. It's fun. But don't forget, Instagram, it's to be diverti, amused, entertained. Yeah, that was the word I was looking for. It like Instagram is to be entertained, right? So don't get lost into those stupid shit. Super ça, Nathy, ça a été chaud, mais j'espère que tu n'as pas mis beaucoup en risque. Please check my chart. I have to go to sleep. Yeah, man. Sorry, buddy, man. This guy's fighting hard. What time is it to your place, Mantis? I want to know. I'm curious. But yeah, we'll go check your chart right now. So makes sense for AUDUSD, guys. Now I want to know. Like, let me know. And guys, make sure to drop a like. Make sure to smash the goddamn like button right now. What time is it? 647. Okay. Need that breakdown. Okay, hold on, wait a second. Needed a breakdown. Appreciate it. You're welcome, Raphael. Sorry, I said Raphael in French, but it's the same. Um, oh, it's not so bad. 12:30, but yeah, legit though. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna do this right now for you, Mantis, because you're with us late. I respect that. Cheers. I appreciate you. Okay, so let's go check it out. Let's see. Copy link. Boom, boom. All right. Now let's go check Mantis charts. Where it is here. Okay. Oh, okay. This is USD CAD. Mantis, you knew it because you're not new here. You know that I fucking hate USD CAD, but that's okay, bro. I'm gonna help you. Okay, let me try to zoom in here because it's. Can I zoom more? Cannot zoom more. So sorry, I'm getting old here. I'm gonna get close to this screen so I look. So you don't see me in the camera right now, but I'll be right back. So what did it say? Okay, we're talking about the news here. Open trade. For bullish, target previous weekly structure point. B on one. Make sure no goes trade. Weekly 10% at the area of interest daily. Okay. Okay, so that's you. Is your other chart also USD CAD? I think so. Because you sent, is that the same? Okay, you sent another one also after. I guess it's on the same pair. So let's start with USD CAD first. Okay, so I understand what you did here. It looks good at first. This is what? This is the daily time frame. I see that you're using the lines. Congrats. Those lines, I'm telling you, bro, they're magic. Like it's so simple. I don't to this point, I don't understand people that are not using it. It make it so clean and simple. So all right, so let's go check it out. You see AUSD cat is in red here. This is for do not fucking touch. Not even do not touch. You gotta drop the F bomb like in the middle, right there. Yeah, my stream is not for kids, so I'm allowed to swear. Okay, so let's take a look. We got a weekly here. Weekly is bullish, right? So we got a bullish since September 2022, and we've been ranging here. Ugh. Okay, but that's okay. Now, if you look at the daily did flip bullish though. That's good. I was actually expecting like a pullback like from this daily area. I mean, not daily area interest, but daily golden zone. Now I'm gonna delete it because we clearly broke it. We are under the safety net. I'm pretty sure we do. Yeah, we went under the safety net. We closed back above. Okay, that's legit. Last minute thing. Okay. You're at the daily area of interest, which is right here. So that makes sense. What about the 4 hour time frame now? 4 hour was okay. So now it went bearish from here to here. This was bearish from there. Actually, let me put this bigger. Okay, so from here to here, and it went bullish from there to there. And okay, so if I look at your chart, I'm pretty sure you entered. Did you enter here? Hold on, wait a second. Where's this chart? It looks like you entered that wick. So if it was me, I would be looking for entry in here. Okay. The reason why it's because we got this here. Look at this. Gonna show it to you. Very simple. We got the golden zone right here. Perfect. we got the hold on. Let me place a black line for a 382 just for you guys. So let's put this black. Perfect. Let me remove the fib. Perfect. So here's our 382 rejection level. This is our golden zone. We wicked into it. Now let's drop down to 1 hour. 1 hour was bullish from here to here. Now it's red. I'm not. Oh, whatever. Let's change the color. It's gonna be easier. And you see, guys. Sorry, I'm talking to myself, but I think you're hearing my thought process. So I think I look crazy, but it's good for you. So here, this is beautiful. Yeah, I think it's a beautiful trade. If you did enter in here, like let's say the 30 minute, let's see the 30 minute. Yeah, man, even the 30 minute, like even if it's a big stop loss here, like it's not even a big stop loss. Like it's a 20, like let's say 5 pips under 32. Pretty legit for a swing. Fuck that. 32 pip stop loss. This would be my trade. Let's see, 3, 2, 1. Let's see on the 4 hour time frame. Do we have any rejection right here? Okay. What about the daily? Are we clean on the fuck? Okay, so I'll reduce to here. So it will be like a 2.88 to this daily resistance because we already broke above this one now. So this would be my TP. Yeah, so this would be my thought process. Now let's go check your trade. Oh fuck yeah, you're good, man. Bam, you're good, bro. Yeah. So I don't know exactly where is your entry, but if it's something that looks like this, you're chill. You're chill. Cheers. Okay, let's go quick check the other chart. So did I help, Mantis? I don't know. There was no question, so I'm just you just sent your chart. And on your chart, yes, you have your thing about the news and your 10%, 5%, but there's no bubble saying like I entered this because of that or your thought process. Though that's something you might want to add when sending chart because that really helped. That really helped for me to understand your thought process. Mentis. Where is the other chart you sent? I think they're all the same. DEX, 4. Yeah, I think they're all the same then. Okay, just let me know in the chat if you had another chart or resend it maybe, because it seems to be the same. Let me go check the chat now. It sounds cool in French. Raphael. Raphael sounds very sexy, right? So you know when a girl call you Raphael, come here, baby. Yeah, I'm doing. That's me being stupid after an 8.2 beer. Stop calling it a stupid trade, Natty. Don't be so hard on yourself. Everyone makes mistakes. Just need to make sure you learn from. Perfect, Marnus. This is what we do in this community. We help each other out. Okay, we're not here to bash anyone or tell people that are stupid. We are just helping people in here. Okay. By the way, guys, I'm about to launch a Discord to help you guys. Yeah. And I got a surprise for you. Probably gonna do a boot camp very soon. Okay, so stay tuned. Because I've been having so much requests. So I'm about to open up like a waiting list, not a waiting list, but a list because I don't want like I got a lot of requests, but you once you put it out there and you put a price on it, sometimes people back out and don't do anything. So I'm gonna put it out there and see if really people are interested. Of course, it's gonna be super affordable because I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing this to sort people out. Because I did that a couple of times for free, and it was just fuck. I lost my time. It was just like it was so horrible. So, anyways, let's see here. Same. Okay, cool. It's not okay. It was the same chart. Okay, cool. It's not stupid. Yeah, no, totally not. The entry, your point exactly. Okay. Set. We got a chart here. Okay, we got a chart incoming, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready for Set's chart. Shoot, it's not appearing here, so I'm gonna have to enter it manually. Give me one sec here. Oh, what? Damn it. Let's do this. Copy link. By the way, guys, I got everything set for the business opportunity that I was talking about like a couple weeks ago. So, if any of you wants to make a little bit more money, so let me put it this straight: like, if any of you yourself or you know anyone that health might be important to them or to their friends and they still have room in their bank account, message me. If the product is available in your country, I will let you know and we'll talk and I will help you fund your account, because I mean, yes, you can go to a funding company or you can do different project and different business opportunity and make money and put that money in your trading account, right? Yeah, so let me help you and let me show you. So just DM me, interested into the business opportunity, and I'll send you the info. Well, let's go back to this now. Okay, so x backslash m n f v k v a x. That's it. There we go. Cool. All right. So we got sets chart here. Let's see. So what we got here? We got GJ. Oh, GJ's my pair, boy. Okay, so it looks like you're into. Oh shit! You smashed your TP, bro. Congrats. Correct. But sending a chart like that, though, for me, said it just I don't know what to do. It's cool. You hit TP, but like, is there a question? You need annotation. I entered that trade because of this, because of that. Because right now I know you smashed your TP, but I can help you. Because I don't know what you're looking for. But that's great, man. Congrats on your win. What else? Okay, so now very, very, very quickly, because we're running late now. Very quickly, let's try to see the next move, the next upcoming move. You discussed it last time. Hold on, wait a second. Did I say you discussed it last time? Oh, the GJ trade on the live session, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure. Uh, Oh yeah, well, we're waiting for the pullback in the H4. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, cool, man. Congrats, man. Here we go. Good job, man. So now what's next? Okay, so now if you're looking at GJ as a swing trade idea, right now we're at a daily higher high. So I mean, and you're probably at a weekly higher high now. Yeah, we just created. Oh, well, it's not closed yet, but it's gonna be closing tomorrow. So right now for swing on GJ, I will not touch anything else. As you can tell, Set did enter in that pullback where I told people on Tuesday morning on the live session. I say, wait for the pullback, and you might have a chance for a continuation move. And that's exactly what happened, right? So we waited for the pullback at the golden zone, boom, and enter. Let me see now. Where did you enter? So 1 hour went bearish, boom, bullish. Oh, yeah, I didn't have any opportunity on my end to enter here because it was bearish from here. Oh, okay. Maybe here I didn't see. Yeah, I guess on the 30 minute it would make sense. But the 1 hour was still bearish. It would be a little more risky. My entry on this one with a 0.5 or 1% would be based on that candle. And we'll be putting stuff under this structure, +5. So let's say 24. And be running like a 3-2-1 thing. Oh, yeah, we'll smash it very easily. Fuck yeah, man. I missed that one. Good job, man. Good job, Seth. Cheers. So that's good. ADUSD, yeah, we talked about. Okay, so what's next now for ADUSD? Right now, I mean, we gotta see tomorrow. We gotta see tomorrow's candle. Right now, it looked like we're fading out. You look at the small body candle. Uh, yeah, Don't forget the weekly is bearish. Don't forget the weekly is bearish. Daily is bullish. Forex bullet. Yeah, right now ADUSD. I will not touch ADUSD tomorrow. That is for sure. I want to see that daily candle. So this is flipping blue now because I'm not that more interested. Euro NZD. Can we have anything else now? Let me update this. So here we are bearish from there to there. Boom. The daily. Daily. Let me put the screen bigger. It's easier. Well, yeah, we're the lower. So this one, either I'm not really interested anymore. The move already happened. GA weekly is bearish. We broke that golden zone, and we are pretty much at the safety net, if I'm not wrong right now. Yeah, we actually passed the safety net. So GA doesn't really look nice right now. The only thing that looked nice is for maybe a day trade to the upside. Because right now the daily is bullish, the 4 is bullish. Hold on, did we broke above? Did we broke above? Oh, we did. Okay, so now we got a new higher high. Okay, so we got a new higher high here on the 4-hour time frame. So we are bullish on the daily. Let's update this. But look at this small body candle. Yeah, not interested. 80 CAD. Let's see. Weekly. Weekly is bullish. We didn't have a big pullback yet. We got that small, tiny pullback here. Now we pushed up. I think we can have a bigger pullback now. The date is inside that golden zone now with the doji bullish candle. Okay, so it looks like, and we came down and retest this resistance. Okay, daily bullish, 4-hour now bearish. So we just need the 4-hour to go back bullish now. So the best thing would be for the 4-hour to do something like this: break above here, retest, take it to the upside, and take the entry somewhere around here. So yeah, so that's something I will be looking for. So 80 CAD looks nice. NZD USD, what's up? Let's do this quick. If you have any other pair that looks nice, let me know. NZD USD is bullish on the weekly time frame. We are bullish on the daily. We're getting close to this. This is something I put I think it was either like last Tuesday or last Thursday night. Then I put this alert for daily golden zone going to this day. So yeah, NZD USD I'm interested, but we're not. Doesn't look like we're ready yet. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4 is still bullish. Yeah, okay. But yeah, I think we can. We got this. Let's see. Are we at the 382 now? Yeah, we're rejecting 382. So okay, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on NZD USD because we might not come lower now since we got a doji. We got a huge wick to fill. We kind of retested previous structure right here, which was also a daily area of interest right here. Boom, right here. This was a daily area of interest. Boom. This number 1, number 2 was here. To be honest, I was expecting the number 2 to get hit, but yes, I do see that there's one here. So 1 touch, 2 touch, 3, 4, 5. So yes, it's a solid one. Is there any major QP? No. Okay. What about the 4-hour? 4-hour is bullish. 1-hour. 1-hour is bearish now. So 1-hour is bearish right now. So I would not go against it. Oh, actually, this one lower low. And this one lower high. Perfect. What about the 30-minute? Sorry, guys. That's a COVID reflex. I'm alone in my office. I'm still covering my. And the yeah, we kind of like FE elbow here, but bearish here. So yeah, NZD is getting there, but not yet. I mean, 1 hour is still there, so we need the 1 hour to go back bullish. So stand by, but it does looks that it might play out next week. Let's see the chat. Check NZD took a loss this morning. Entry was oh. Entry was what? Were you buying or selling, Jonathan? Were you buying or selling? Marnus. Okay, gotta head to bed. Enjoy the rest of your evening session. Thank you so much, Marnus, man. Good night. Let me see here. Buying? Okay. Okay, hold on. Wait a second. What was the price again? So price was at what time did you buy? 0.06. Entry price 0.61154. Okay. Oh, I'm guessing you bought right here, like at 4 a.m. with this engulfing candle. Okay, so at this time, price was, and I'm just guessing. 4 a.m. You see? Fuck. Do I know you guys or not? Do I fucking know you? Dude, I know you guys. Okay, so yes. Okay, so now I went bullish from there to there. So you at least you were bullish in the 1 hour. You got an engulfing candle, but the pullback is very low though. Let me see. Yeah, pullback not even like, oh yeah, you got a wick rejection at 3-2, but that's a stretch. It's a very small pullback though. That's why I use my fib, because it's a decent pullback. I mean, if it's not, like, I'm very careful. Like, I reduce my risk. Let's see the 30-minute at that time. 30-minute. Boom, 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 boom. One bullish. 30-minute was good. Yeah, that was legit. That was legit. The 30-minute was legit. The 1 hour was FE. It was good because it was a nice engulfing candle, but the pullback was small, but still legit, What about the 4 hour at that time? 4 hour was still bullish, right? But the thing though, okay, that's something you need to watch out, okay? Because right now you are at a higher high, on the 4 hour time frame, okay? And you got this candle, that closed bearish, What time did you enter? At 4, yeah. So when you enter, it's between those two candles, okay? This one is not there yet. So you got a bearish candle in the 4 hour. So you gotta watch for those candles, okay? So going against a bearish candle, yes, it can be like a booby trap candle, like this one. So this one's called a booby trap candle because it's between two blue candle. It can be a booby trap candle, but the odds are after creating a resistance, especially after creating a new higher high, which is not clear a new higher high because we're inside that structure, but still, like here it's kind of effy, but it was not a bad trade. I'm not gonna lie, it's not a bad trade. I would probably be tempted to enter that trade, but with a lower risk though, with a 0.5 or 1%. Yeah, because it makes sense. You got that engulfing. All the other time frame was in sync. The only thing I don't like about NZD/USD, I'll tell you up front, and that's the reason why I would not be in that trade, is here. I'm still looking at NZD/USD. Don't get me wrong, but I want something clean. Because if it's not clean, look at this range. It's not trending. It's a range. It's a fucking range. It's moving sideways. It's always easier to trade into a trending market. When it's ranging, it's really, really hard. As you can see, you had a lot of confluences, a lot of things for you, but it went against you. Why? Because you are in a range. And again, I'm not saying it's never going to work, but if you want to put the odds on your side, You got to remove that, you know? So start entering those trades if you want when you're being profitable for months. But at first, just stay out of it, you know? That would just be my own suggestion. All right, guys. Man, we did some overtime here. My wife is probably starving as fuck right now. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to go, guys. Thank you so much for being here tonight. I really appreciate every single one of you. We'll be on again on Tuesday morning. Stay tuned on my Instagram. I might announce something very shortly. Thank you again, and I'll see you on Tuesday morning, guys. Again, thank you so much. Have a good evening. Peace out.